TVS Apache has always been one of the most exciting bikes in its segment, and with time it has evolved to push the excitement level even further. The introduction of the RR310 was a giant leap in performance, but the most impactful move was the RTR 204V. It presented a taste of performance in the affordable motorcycle segment. And now the TVS Apache RTR 204V in its 2021 avatar is all set to leave the rivals behind. If you're among the few people who do not like the chiseled look of the RTR 204V, then TVS is definitely leaving you unentertained. Save for this new blue color scheme, which is an aesthetic update and it looks very smart. Moving to the first major update, and it is the revised engine mapping. It has helped the 2021 Apache RTR 204V in recovering the power output lost due to the BS6 update. And despite a host of new additions, TVS has managed to chip down about a kilogram, making it slightly quicker as well. And not just that, the new map also allows the 2021 model to offer riding modes. There are two levels of power and torque output. The full-blown sport mode offers 20.5 bhp at 9000 rpm and 17.25 Nm of peak torque at 7250 rpm. And then there is the urban mode providing 17 horsepower at 7800 rpm and 16.5 Nm at 5750 rpm. There are three different modes for the ABS intervention as well. As you would expect, the sport mode offers the least sensitive ABS intervention, and in urban mode, it is quite on job and more pronounced. But you will feel the ABS offering its most aggressive performance in the rain mode, which works with lower power delivery. Now you must be thinking, why do you need these modes in such a low capacity motorcycle? Even we thought the same before riding the 2021 Apache, but it shattered our apprehension by changing its behavior completely with just the press of a button. As you switch from sport to urban, the engine becomes much calmer and relaxed, and you can use the higher gears in lower rev bands. And that really helps when you're riding the RTR 204V through congested streets. Moreover, it gives you some extra kilometers as well from every liter of fuel. So, riding modes in a 200cc machine, it is not such a bad idea after all. The preload adjustable front forks by Showa are another major update. These are not only a segment first, but also not available in bikes a segment higher. To understand its usability, we have to understand the basics, that every suspension has a range of motion where it works the most efficiently. Adding load to a motorcycle like the rider, pillion or luggage compresses the suspension springs, which are already compressed or loaded at a predefined level for optimum performance. But the loads keep fluctuating, varying with the weight of the rider, pillion and luggage, and because of that, the motion of the suspension sometimes goes out of its efficient range. What preload adjustability allows you to do is set the predefined compression or load for the springs so that the added load does not eat into that usable range. This is very thoughtful. Now, continuing the theme of adjustability, another very usable new feature in the 2021 Apache RTR 204V is span adjustable brake and clutch levers. And the best part is, you don't need any specific or even regular tools for it. You get a rotor at the top of the levers, which you can simply rotate by your hand in 3 simple steps and adjust the distance between the handlebar grip and the levers. And this is also one feature which is going to enhance your riding experience substantially. While there is no change in the braking setup on paper, this is also an area that feels like it has been improved upon. There is noticeable reduction in the braking distance, and it offers you good progression and feel, which was missing in the previous versions. Other great and important features like the slipper clutch and a highly informative LCD instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity have been carried forward from the previous model. The display can be paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth using a dedicated app to provide turn-by-turn navigation, SMS and call alerts, crash alert, and some other connected services. But the biggest question is, how much do you pay for all these updates? TVS is offering all these updates for just 3,000 rupees more compared to the price of the outgoing model. Now this is a master stroke by TVS. We don't think anyone will get bothered to pay that small an amount for so many useful upgrades. As far as upgrades or new model year introductions go, this is a very good one.